Menteri rangba hakalai terik nai wing ula pensyai haki nongthok kubor baka jingkem ya oba jike langrai Assistant Inspector General of Police kamdei satya halor ka jing pharep haki kam thiet kali Henry ka dei halor ka jing ujor ka baya dei bat ka jing shna bat jing te ya ki ying tre kam Jong ki pulin Omdon jing ujor AA ka baya dei bat ka kam thiet kali ha Police Department Halor ka jing thuet ya ki nongsho brio ha ka arpu pratarik risau Menteri rangba ula ong ba ha ka miet artarik la kem laingut ki brio ki basuba don kti ha ka kam sho brio Ula ong ru ba ki pulit ki dang thuet sa saungut ki weipat ki brio ki badang petri hadu benta Menteri rangba ula ong ba udon ka jingkermen ba ka tamasa ka balabu tarik banlong kan yat bet yat Lynti kumbala penkre yaki
State government communicated to other state government assuring that the peace.
Absolutely, we have 4,000 people who have agreed to participate. We'll be having. We've just received confirmation also that one of the union ministers will be coming for the inauguration day, and we also expect a few of the chief ministers to also be coming.
Festivals are going on, but Section 144 CRPC is been put in the state, and this incident of law and order has happened. So how it is going to affect the festival? Whether these festival goers will also come?
Absolutely not. They will not be. And as per the situation only, that time there was a call for and when permission was sought for a rally and a procession, which was denied. And based on that, of course, discussions were held with the Home Minister. Some of the organizations have sought an appointment with me also, and I have given an appointment to them to discuss whatever issues that are there. I want to assure everybody that every step will be taken to ensure that there is peace in the state and in the capital, to ensure that all the festival programs, all the different kind of different festivals that we're having, that they will be held in a proper manner, and at the same time we are involving all different stakeholders in the process to ensure that everything goes off peacefully. Large stakeholders who are locals are automatically involved in this and are affected in this. Large number of athletes who will be playing in the games also are involved in this. So therefore it is our own people who are part of this entire festival and who will be benefited by this. So therefore it is in the interest of the people of the state itself, and hence the government will ensure that every step is taken to ensure that there is complete protection as well as peace in the city and the state.